white sand beaches, exotic islands and luxurious villas, Maldives is a perfect romantic destination for couples in love.
Oh, let me show you what you need to know. If you see me how I see you, it will show. I am waiting for the moment to
Well, after a hectic wedding, all a couple needs is a break from the noisy world. And we are taking this beautiful couple for a dream vacation. Wondering why? Well, because you deserve a break.
I know we have got the courage to do the things we do. Hey there, what's that?
Well, Maldives is undoubtedly one of the most stunning destinations, but what makes it even better is Go Air's direct flight. You can now reach Maldives in just 3 hours at a price of 6,000 rupees one way.
Hey, I didn't know this. Hey,
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome on board.
So we are on board Go Air, and this flight flies directly into Malé. 3 hours straight, no stopover, no layover. Seats are very comfortable, and I'm sure Tarun and Bhumika are having a great time too. Well, I'm sure Tarun and Bhumika are happy about the fact that amidst many other things they had to manage for the wedding, they don't really have to care about the visa process for their honeymoon, because Maldives allows you a visa on arrival and it's absolutely free for Indians.
it's coming from underground.
The holiday in Maldives begins as soon as you land at the airport. As the airport is so quirky, this is the first thing that you see. Welcome to Maldives.
Hey, I didn't know this.
Well, Maldives isn't about just extravagant hotels or luxurious resorts, as there are a host of affordable guest houses and Airbnbs where you can stay and have a dream vacation to this paradise even on a budget.
Hey, what's that sound? Something is coming from underground.
To get to any resort or a guest house, you need to travel by water, and in fact, if you are on a budget, there are local ferries which won't cost you more than $2 to $4.
Hey, I didn't know this.
As for us, we've been invited by Western Maldives Miriandu, who would like to host the newlyweds. Let's head there.
I know why I let you.
This is absolutely magical.
There's something strange between us. Oh,
Well, in Maldives, there are more than 1,200 small islands, and the best part is that each island has a resort of its own. So living in a resort in Maldives is as good as hiring an island for yourself. Maldives is known for its underwater activities, and there are a whole host of offerings here. You can witness the wonder of underwater life at the pristine blue seas in Maldives.
Well, we had a very hectic past few months and we were really looking forward to this break. And we had a wonderful time in Maldives, from staying in overwater villas to wonderful spa treatments. It was excellent.
It was a great experience, most memorable experience. I would not be able to do such arrangements for my wife Bhumika. Thank you.
Well, with experiences like this, admire the wonder of nature in Maldives. It's not just a perfect destination for couples in love, but also for those who love nature. So book your tickets on goair.in right away.